Hello everyone, welcome. I am Santosh, I am the CPX product manager, and I have a few things to talk about this machine. The machine is a standalone grinder. This makes 2D forms of your cylindrical blanks before the tools are ground on your tool and cutter grinder. This is a simple machine, and it's a standalone grinder. It's a 4-axis machine, and it's the most powerful pinch peel grinder what you can find in the market today. The machine is equipped with a roughing spindle which is 43 kilowatts, which is approximately 3 times more than any roughing spindle you can find in this class of machines. Why is it required? It's very simple. These operations are what we call it as the pre-operations before a cutting tool is made. So what's important is a very good cycle time. The cost per piece is very important, which basically means that your cycle time has to be competitive, which means the machine should be able to handle a very large volume of material removed at the highest possible material removal rates. And this machine is built, designed from the ground up, keeping that in the picture. Now we know that there are many grinding wheels available in the market for doing this operation, but our customers' feedback was that these machines, the grinding wheels what we are using, we are not able to use it to its maximum capacity, and this machine is designed to go to that level of innovation. The machine is equipped with linear motors on all linear axis. In fact, it is the industry first where we have 2 linear motors on a single linear shaft, which is very important, especially when we are talking about a pinch peel grinding operation, where there are 2 grinding wheels doing the job simultaneously. And to maintain the thermal capacity of the machine and the stability of the machine, it is important that every single detail from the design stage is taken care of. Additionally, the machine comes with the most simplest software to use, the BlankX software. It is user-friendly, and what we have done is we have taken through what is called as a conversational programming, where the user has been asked a few questions by the software, and the user just answers those by input, and a workflow takes you through that process, and your geometry is done. And the next step is basically to set up your grinding speeds and feeds. We have a few inputs within the software to help you with that. Profiles, any kind of steps or corner radii with forward-facing profile, backward-facing profile. All of these can be done easily by using the BlankX software. The roughing spindle and the finishing spindle both are using the cooling mechanism what we have built in, which is most commonly known as the MTC, which is the motor temperature control, where the user specifies a certain temperature, and the machine just maintains the temperature no matter what your torque or your depth of cut demand is. So this is a very simple, brief way of explaining this machine, and we have found that the roughing spindle especially, which has the diameter 250 in diameter grinding wheel, which is a metal bonded grinding wheel, which has a thickness of about a quarter of an inch, 6 millimeter. You can probably go up to 4 millimeter in depth of cut. So a 16 millimeter blank can be ground down to 8 millimeter in a single pass. Now, removing 99.99% of the material is done by the roughing wheel, and on the opposite side you have the finishing wheel, which will do the final dimension. Additionally, the machine is equipped with many other options to support the specification of the machine. The machine can accommodate diameters up to 32 millimeter or around a quarter inch, and to a length of 360 millimeter in length of grinding, and the minimum diameter can go all the way down to 0.1 millimeter. It has the tailstock, which is basically used to support your long and slender blanks. Then you have the loader, AR300 loader, which is again equipped with 3 pallets. 2 pallets can be full for lights out production. When you come back on Monday morning, you have 2 full pallets completed. Approximately a 3 millimeter diameter. You can have up to 1,560 blanks fed in one single cycle start. You also have the in-process OD measurement system. The machine itself, without the measuring system, can achieve a CPK of 1.33 and above on a 6 micron tolerance. But with the in-process measuring system, you're now able to achieve greater than 1.33 on a 3 micron tolerance, which is basically around a micron in variation in diameter for the entire batch of tools. So I hope I have just given you a bit of an idea on what this machine does, what are the features and the benefits, what you can get out of this. So thank you once again for watching. Thank you.